Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcome to you all on Career Edge. In this video, we are going to take a certificate of communication strategies for a virtual age through Coursera. This is provided by University of Toronto. And by going through Class Central, you get this certificate course for free. You can see the banner above, which I shown in all video of Coursera that you wait for this banner because through this banner you get this course free. If this banner is not appear, you doesn't get this course for free. You can see the course details. 100% online course, flexible deadline is there, beginner level, and only 7 hours to complete. This is the minimum time in which you can complete any Coursera course, because any Coursera course is mainly 4 weeks long and also can take more than 10 hours. Now I'm going to enroll for this course. You can see the banner, and after that just need it to continue. Here you can see that there is a notification that your promotion is valid on your checkout, and here just tap on go to course. Here there is no payment required because there is a 0 rupees, and here congratulations, continue. Just tap on continue communication strategies for a virtual edge. And here there is a course overview. You can see there are total week 4 weeks course, and here only 2 quizzes are there. The minimum quiz in any Coursera course which I showed till now, and week 1 is have a no quiz, and week 2 and week 3 have a quiz. Here is the quiz of week 2 module 2 meetings. I am now going to start it. There are total 10 questions are there. Some questions are very long, but you can go through the answers. All questions are in the same sequence, but may the your options are shuffled, so take a care about it. All the answers are correct here, so you can start your quiz with this video. This is more helpful and consume less time to complete this course. It's take only 5 to 7 minutes to complete this course, and you can see all the answers on your screen. Stay tuned. We completed all and only need of submitting this. After submitting, you get this that we score 100%. All the answers which I answered here is correct. You can see on your screen that all answers are correct. If you want to review, or you may confirm by the answers which are showing here. And after that we are moved to the next quiz of the week 3, that is module 3 quiz, and this is the second quiz of this course. And after that only one peer graded assignment is remain. Sure, we continue that also in this video. Just take care about that we need to score 70% or more. By watching this video you can score 100%. And now I am going to start this. Here you can see all the answers are correct here also, so just stay tuned. We answered all, and now I am going to submit it. Just tapping on submit, our assessment is submitted, our quiz is submitted. Now you can see 100% score is there. You can review all the answers are correct, as it is shown that it is 100% correct, so all the answers are automatically correct. But you can see if you have any confusion in any option, You can see on your screen all answers are correct. Now I'm going back and going to attempt the peer graded assignment. It is most important because how you can take this peer graded assignment, this is very different from others. Now I'm going to show you. Here there is week 4. Week 1 is completed, week 1 is have a no quiz, and now I am going to move on week 4. Week 2 and week 3 is completed, there are 1 quizzes, and here peer graded assignments. Let's get talking. And here there are more instructions because in instruction they explain the question, so you need to see all the instructions carefully. I am showing some key points and you can see on your screen. Here there are step by step assignment instructions are there. Assignment topic is here. You can see there is some information about Amazon shopping, and we need to take our assignment, our peer graded assignment. On that also we need to upload a video link here. So I am going to show you how you get to complete this. Firstly, you need a project title. You can give any project title, there is no any necessary. I going to give a virtual communication topic here. You can see, just typing on virtual communication, and after that there is need of URL and a file. Firstly we going to upload a file. After that I show how to get you URL. There is a link in the description, you go through it, you are redirected to the Blogspot. Here is our channel's Blogspot. There are many quizzes, answers are here, all the peer graded assignment you get here. Now I'm going to show you how you get the file. Just tapping on this, here you can see above there is a download link mentioned. You can see here download link peer graded assignment. Just tapping on that, you get a option of opening this in a drive. After opening here, you can download it. Just take a look. This is the peer graded assignment. Now just download it. There is an option of download, just tap on it, and after downloading this file you need to upload it. Here we go to the Coursera course, and now we are going to upload it. Just tap on downloads, and here are the downloads. Just tap on peer graded assignment, and it takes some times to upload. Total 2.8 MB file is here, 2.6 MB file, and after uploading it we need to review an assignment of our peers. It is uploaded. Now we need an URL where you can upload any URL. I am going to show you. I am going to give an URL of my video, a very nice video where you get an information about 115 Coursera free courses where you doesn't need any transaction. Just copy of this URL, and now I am going to post it. Just see, I'm going to post this video link. I upload it, and now there is no need of any other things. All are optional, title, caption. Now we just tap on preview. After previewing, it shows if your assignment is applicable for submission or not. You can see there is no things for a review. Now we are applicable for submission. Just tap on submit, and our assignment is submitted. And here our assignment, you can review your assignment. You can upload any URL of your YouTube video or any YouTube video. And now I'm going to show you how to review any assignment. Just tap on review assignment. Here's the peer graded assignment. Just tap on start reviewing, and you get a peer assignment. Here you can see this. There is a video not need to watch. Just tap on maximum marks, because giving a good marks makes all happy. For getting good you need to do good, so just tap on the maximum marks in all the options. You can see here there are many options are there. Just tapping on 3 points in all the above. You can see on your screen I'm just doing the same thing. Just tapping on the maximum point. It is not submitted because there is one credential missing. There is some remarks for the peer. You can comment anything. I just comment here, your communication is a pretty good, and just go below and submit it. Just tap on submit review, and it is submitted. You can see this is submitted, you can also review more assignments, more peer graded assignments, so there is more chance to get your peer graded assignment review. In sometimes it takes total 2 to 3 hours to generate your certificate after your reviewing, but it may take more time. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 days. So doesn't tensed about your certificate. I'm going to show you where you get certificate. Just tapping on Coursera above, you get your home page. Here you can see your in progress and completed courses, and here it is written in progress because it is not completed. Where when our this course is reviewed, then it is shown completed and you get your certificate here. Thanks for watching, friends.